Hello. I recently sent out an email about how to see whether or not your students are logging into your course on Schoology, and I thought I'd do a quick video to walk you through it. Um, so you can see this is my homepage here for my Schoology courses. So let's just take my first period class, open that up. Okay. These are all options here on the left-hand side, things that you can do, and you want to find this one right here that says Analytics. Okay, and you click on it, okay, and all of a sudden you can see what your students are doing, right? I can see that the last time this student logged in to Schoology was last night at 11:58, but the last time they accessed any course materials was last Friday. And you can kind of go down here and see when kids have been off and on this way. I'm gonna kind of switch over to the Schoology help page because I don't want to go through my individual students that way, okay? So you can get a detailed report out of that window if you click on the student's name. And you can see here, and I'll include this link with the video, you can see that if you click on the student's name, you can go through all the assignments that you have given them through Schoology to see whether or not they have access to any of them. Right? You can see if it was submitted. You can see whether or not they've even bothered to access it. Okay? This is just a great tool, especially at this time, to see whether or not students are even logging on to Schoology to access the materials we're giving them. All right. Always email me if you have any further questions. Thanks.